Hello, everybody. I am Ezekiel Bruni, web designer and writer with Website Planet. And today, me, logo for YouTube channel. No preamble. We've got 5 minutes. Let's do this. Switching over to the desktop here. All right, today we're using the Wix logo maker because they allow you to download a free logo sample. And that's already the one I used in this article. So, quick tutorial. Click Start Now. There we go, new logo. Now, I've already done this before, but let's do it again. We've set up a quick YouTube channel here called The Pie Channel. And no tagline. What's the logo for? Pies, baby. Pie shop, there we go. How should your logo look and feel? Let's go with playful, fun, modern, and hipster. Let's see, not enough contrast on that one, but I like the style. Let's go with something a little more classic here. Ooh, I like that one. That's an excellent one. Now, where are we using it? Well, let's just go with website. What the heck? It's going to do its little AI thing. And depending on how long it takes... Oh, there we go. The Pie Channel. The Pie Channel. As you can see, not a lot of pie-themed icons as such. We've got some that are sort of abstract and might work. So let's go with replace icon. Let's look up pie. And that gets us a whole lot of the @ symbol. Let's not try that. Let's go with apple pie. And there we go. We have a bunch of pie-themed icons. For some reason, apple pie always works better than just typing in pie. And I couldn't tell you why. I'm so sorry for the rhyme. Since this is just a tutorial and we're not trying to make anything super fancy, I'm just going to grab that. A big... yummy looking pie slice. And we're not worried about the typography because in this case we don't actually want to show the type. So we're just going to ignore the typography. I'm going to pick a color I like. I like that color. I like this color scheme. Now what we're going to do is we're going to move this down to the bottom of the canvas. Do not move it off the canvas. If you move it off the canvas, it will screw up how the exported file looks. So, you know, don't do that. Size in pixels. Make it nice and big. Move that back onto the canvas. Put this somewhere in the middle. Okay, we are good to go. Oh, one thing we can do is we can make the font size nearly impossible to see. And I wonder if we can get... There we go. The hex value of the background. Now we go to the text. Done. Now the text is the same color as the background and will not be visible at all. You just have to know how to beat the system. All right, we've got our pie logo. Next, just get the logo. And we're going to go down here to download the free version. Now the free version is going to be very small. You don't really get a lot in the way of copyright. But let's see. That works. We can work with that. Ideally, you'd get a logo size or an image size of 800 pixels by 800 pixels for your YouTube channel, but we're not buying the image today. This is just a sample. So, if you want to change your logo on YouTube, you've got to go here to the, assuming you've already created your channel, you just click on the image up here in the upper right, and you go to your channel. We're already on that screen. Then you click there, edit profile picture. And it takes you here to Google's About Me. Then you click upload photo. And that's another project. We go to downloads, free sample by Wix. Check it out. Done. Boom. Give it a second. It's not perfectly centered. I'm not seeing an option to... Oh, there it is. You just got to click and drag. There we go. That wasn't very obvious, but boom, now it's more centered. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is it. You now have a new logo for your channel. As soon as it loads. There it is. And well, that's about it. I hope this tutorial was fun, educational. And if you like the logo you've built, obviously buy it. Get the high resolution version. It's not just good for quality, it's good for owning the copyright. So do that. And that should be it. This is Ezekiel Bruni signing off.